Hello everyone, my name is Pinith Yogesh. In this presentation, I would like to explain why Hadoop is better on cloud. If we did notice the current situation, many services are moving onto the cloud and many others were about to. For example, Cubol, Mirantis, Rackspace and VMware. These were well-known service platforms for big data analytics. There are many reasons why Hadoop performs better on cloud and I will explain few of them, starting from simple reasons to complex ones. But before going to the reasons, let me tell you the advantages of cloud. Reduced capital costs. We need not purchase the hardware and resources completely. We can rent it for a cost period. Improved accessibility, which means you can access your project anywhere, just the internet should be available. Pay as you go. It is like you pay for only how long you have used it. If it is for minutes, pay for minutes. If it is for days, pay for days. Get as you demand. Get any amount of resources quickly as you need them. Just ask for the resources and you gain access to them. It is from the cloud. Minimizing license new softwares. We need not buy expensive software, but you can buy them by paying very little. But that is for a specific period of time. Less manual involvement. No need for many administrators working on the project. Coming to the reasons why Hadoop is better on cloud. Let's go one by one. Reduce innovation costs. It can be one of the low investment platforms for companies that are running analytics on Hadoop. As I have already mentioned, cloud provides pay-as-you-go provision. For example, the New York Times in 2007 used the power of Amazon EC2 instances and Hadoop for just for one day to do a one-time conversion of TIF documents to PDF. Acquire resources as per demand. Hadoop runs on commodity hardware, which means cheap hardware. Sudden requirement of resources cannot be met so quickly. As Google and Amazon are internet giants who operated at web scale, knew their need of running more and more hardware in the future, so they built it by themselves. While Hadoop grows from few nodes to medium and large size clusters with hundreds of nodes, and then the resources cannot support by growing load, the data platform team will not be able to handle it. Cloud as a solution provides instant access to hardware resources very quickly. To get 50 machines to the data center, it takes weeks, but cloud can provide them in minutes. Handle batch workloads at ease. Data is ingested into Hadoop at regular times scheduled by companies. Data load varies depend on the time the job is scheduled and the rate of incoming data. So a fixed capacity Hadoop cluster built on physical machines leads to consumption of more power, leased space and also expensive, while as cloud can effectively handle such batch loads by configuring clusters of suitable sizes at right time for jobs to run. Handle variable resource requirements. Not all jobs are the same, so not all job requires the same resources. Some might require more computing resources, some might require more memory. Some resources like others receive input and output resources. A Hadoop cluster built on homogeneous machines cannot manage heterogeneous tasks efficiently. So what they have done, they have given advanced Hadoop schedulers like capacity schedulers and fair share scheduler. However, they are not implemented and they are not adopted completely. Cloud meanwhile already offers end users to choose different type of machines for different workloads, so it makes us easy. Running closer to the data. As already discussed, when all services are moving to the cloud, data collected also exists on the cloud. If the data analytic platform is outside the cloud and we have to retrieve data from the cloud, process it and again upload it back, then we are wasting more time. Solution is upload Hadoop to the cloud and data transactions would be faster and easier. Simplified Hadoop operations. When in an organization a cluster consolidation is done, then isolation of resources for different set of users is lost. There are chances of users interfering with jobs with another users. It leads to security concerns. We have to enforce very restrictive cluster level policies or limits that prevents users from accessing other user jobs. But by using cloud, one can provision different types of clusters with different characteristics and configurations, each suitable for a particular set of jobs, which eliminates the multi-tenancy issue. Conclusion: Well, in this presentation we have learned many advantages we may acquire if Hadoop is operated on cloud. Also how companies or organizations can save time and money, and also when the data flow is so high and resources cannot be set up quickly, cloud could be of help to us. My future work. Google says deploy Hadoop on cloud, and our compute engine instances starts in seconds, and you can eliminate file system startup. You can add more CPUs to your computation at a low cost, and it is also easier and can be done in minutes. If you would like to try the same thing, you can go to the link I have mentioned in the presentation, install the pre-requirements, go through the fruit trail, and deploy sample Hadoop program. References. You may take help of these references to go to the same topic, and you can learn the concepts as well. Thank you.